Hello and welcome to Cook Food Easily. So in this series of mine, I'm exploring the dals of India. So today we are going to make different kind of dals, which we usually make it at home and also have it at restaurants. So today we are making dal tadka, panchmel dal, palak dal and varan. So dal tadka has a very special, story in my life because it is one of the favorite dal recipes which I like. And whenever we go to any restaurant or any place, we always order dal tadka. It is one of the most favorite. And today I have tried the Punjabi dal tadka. Now the best part which I liked about this recipe is the addition of tomato, which gives it a very tangy flavor. And because it's like little thick and like nice, I don't know whether you're able to see the texture. And I do remember that even in my husband's family, this is a very special dish. They don't make dals regularly, but dal tadka is one of the most special dish which we usually make at his place. Even if you don't put, all the ingredients which I mentioned, only moong dal also tastes really good. But dal tadka, because we are reviewing it here, I love it. It's a staple at my home, so taste is 5 on 5, ease of making is 5 on 5, very easy to make, no jhanjat. Surprise element, I mean, there's nothing so surprising, it's just the comfort of food, so there's no surprise element in that. So 2 on 5. I always make it at home, so it's always a yes for dal tadka. This is the way which I make it. I really love palak, and mostly if you would have seen in my recipes, I try to incorporate palak here and there. So palak dal. Why I love this is because it gives you that freshness of spinach, you're having a green vegetable, you're also having your protein in your dal. Totally, try it guys. I love it. I know probably you might also love it. So taste factor is 5 on 5 plus health benefits as well because it's protein and fiber packed. Ease of making, it's very easy to make. So again, I guess the only thing which you can say is you have to clean the palak and all that. So 4 on 5. Surprise element, as such there's no surprise element, it's just tasty. Yeah. And I always make it at home, so yes, I would make it again. So I am trying the Maharashtrian Varan Bhat today. So this is how it looks, and this is actually one of the most easiest dal to make, and it's a one-pot recipe. I can make it anytime, every time, and it's so comforting. I love it so much. It is like a staple in my house. Whenever I'm feeling lazy, I always make Varan Bhat. And because I've spent quite a long time in Maharashtra, I know it's a staple in every Maharashtrian's house. This is so good, so comforting. You must try it, make it, try it with rice. You'll definitely thank me for this. Varan, the taste is 5 on 5, ease of making, definitely 5 on 5. Surprise element, again, when I've made it for the first time, I really was surprised by the simplicity of the dal. I always make it at home, so yes. So Panchmel dal is very, very famous in Rajasthan. And till the time I actually googled the recipe, I did not know that what I was actually making on a very regular basis was Panchmel dal. So it has like 5 dals together, and the tadka is the main highlight. So the dal looks like a regular dal. It is just that red chilies, smoky flavor, which is the highlight. And taste is really good, especially if you ask me, the smokiness of the red chilies adding to the flavor, and also the amount of ghee we have used here. I really like it, the way this is made. So next time you make a Panchmel dal, make it like this. It's wow. Taste is very unique. Ease of making very easy to make. I think the surprise element is the tadka for sure. And I did not know that I was making mixed dal always. Only after seeing the recipe of Panchmel dal is when I knew that I was actually making it on a regular basis. I always make it without knowing, so yes. Panchmel dal, dal tadka, I think varan. So I hope you liked the episode. So please like, share and subscribe. So thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for more episodes because I'll be reviewing a lot of different dals from India. And also comment below that what kind of dal you guys make at home in your region. I would love to recreate and review them.